Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry dosai. Begin by soaking rice and urad dal, then grind to a smooth batter and ferment for about 8 hours. While batter ferments, prepare a spiced potato and vegetable curry with mustard seeds, curry leaves, and turmeric. Heat a non-stick tawa, spread batter thinly, and add filling before folding. Serve hot with chutney or sambar for a satisfying meal. In this video, I will show how to make curry dosai. Start by washing and soaking your ingredients, then grind to a balanced texture with a little water. Mix in salt and leave the batter to ferment in a warm spot until it becomes airy and increases in size. Check consistency and adjust with water for a spreadable but not runny batter. Proper fermentation makes the dosai light and flavorful. In this video, I will show how to make curry dosai. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps floors spotless while you cook, with smart mapping and voice control for hands-free cleanup. It picks up crumbs and spills, so you spend less time sweeping and more time making great food. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make curry dosai. Heat oil, add mustard seeds, cumin, and curry leaves, then sauté onions until translucent. Add mashed potatoes, peas, and spices like turmeric, chili, and garam masala, then stir and simmer until well combined. Taste and adjust salt and heat, making sure the filling is thick enough to stay inside the dosai. Keep filling warm while you cook the crepes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.